Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining me and thank you for your continued support. So we know that Sir Stephen Timms and Liz Kendall are trying to do this PIP review, but they're also trying to set up a panel that will help to shape disability policy for the future. Now, this might be an interesting situation. It might not be as bad as some people have thought, or perhaps it might be even worse. I'll read you the article in which you can see what they're planning to do, and then I'll leave it up to you down in the comment section. Tell me what you think about it. Let's take a look. DWP issues big update for benefit claimants with 3 conditions. The Department for Work and Pensions has issued a major update for benefit claimants with 3 conditions. The DWP has announced a benefits update as it confirmed disability rights expert Zara Todd has been appointed to lead a new panel shaping the Labour Party's government's health and disability policy. Todd has been appointed as chair of the government's new independent disability advisory panel, taking a guiding role in its development and focus. The update has been issued to deaf and disabled people with individuals' long-term health conditions. The panel will be an independent advisory group with a broad remit across all of health and disability policy. It will provide guidance, recommendations and feedback to embed lived experience into policy design and delivery, aiming to build trust and strengthen relationships with the sector. Labour Party Minister for Social Security and Disability Sir Stephen Timms said, "It is absolutely vital that the voices of deaf and disabled people and those with long-term health conditions are at the centre of our health and disability policy design. So I am pleased to announce Zara Todd as the chair of the new Independent Disability Advisory Panel." Zara's extensive and wide-ranging experience, including designing and facilitating disability-inclusive spaces, will be invaluable in guiding the collaboration we hope to build. I look forward to listening to, learning from and collaborating with the panel over the coming months. Now, of course, that all sounds really good. It sounds like they're actually, trying to employ or have advisors who've actually got lived experience with disability, long-term illnesses and things like this. So on the face of it, it looks like it's a good thing. But of course, there could be caveats to this. The policies could be how to integrate disabled people into the workplace, which is fine for people who want to work and who have a disability. But for those who can't work, will this be a way of getting people into the workplace despite their conditions, shall we say, that may not necessarily be the safe way to do it? Of course, we have to wait and see what this policy advisory group comes up with and what kind of policies they are going to shape. But it's going to be interesting to see how this works and how this is going to fit in with the PIP review. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comment section though. Do let me know. Do you think that this is a step in the right direction? And do you think that Stephen Timms is actually finally listening to what people are saying? Or do you think this is just a smokescreen for them to put policies in place and say that they've been using disabled people to help them? Let me know down in the comment section what you think. Please do subscribe if you've got this far, and I'll see you next time.